What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. I got another video here for you guys. I want to talk about one of my favorite chart patterns that I like to look out for in the market. This is a very powerful pattern, and this is the correct way to play wedges. There's really a few different ways you can trade wedges. This is just the type of way that I like to play wedges. I took a little screenshot of the chart because it just demonstrated it very well. And here I am making the video for you guys. So yeah, as you can see, I got a wedge drawn out right here and right here. And there's another wedge way over here. But what I want to point out with these wedges is when a stock breaks to the upside after breaking out from a wedge like it did right here, let the stock run and do what it's got to do. Don't be one of those sheep that chase after it. You buy in right here only to have the stock pull all the way back on you and you're selling it for a loss, freaking out. It takes time to notice these charts, and stocks like to move in waves, patterns, because everybody around the world that knows how to trade with the big money, this is what they're all doing. But what I want to point out about these chart pattern wedges, and this is what I like to look for. You don't need to chase. You don't have to chase. Let it come to you. If it's strong, it'll show you that it's strong. Don't be the ones chasing after a stock. It's all about risk versus reward. I want more reward than risk. So we got this wedge, ascending wedge right here. It breaks up. All right, cool. Let it break up. Let it show its range. Let it top out. And then let it pull back. Because a lot of times, if a stock breaks out from a wedge or any pattern, it's most of the time, not all the time, because remember, stocks are like people. They all have their own personalities and they all move differently. It's up to you as a trader to be selective about what you trade. So the stock rips up from this wedge breakout, tops out here at 530. This pulls all the way back right here. And if you notice, when it pulled back right to the area it broke out from. And from there, it just grinded its way all the way back up pretty much to where it topped out right here. That's the type of wedge pattern that I like to look out for. When it pulls back, bounces off of the area where it broke out from, that's showing strength and it's holding. That's when I'll take a position. I'll put my risk just below of this pattern's breakout and ride it up for the reward. But then as you can see, this stock made another wedge right here. And then it broke to the upside right here. You have all these sheep chasing it all right in here, buying it, not realizing when they're buying it up here at $5.60, the stock already made its move from way down here at $5. This stock just moved up 60 cents right here. So what ultimately happens? People who all bought in right here drops down to here, and it drops down and they sell it for a loss. But what's interesting about this, when it drops down right here, look at the area right here where it bounced at. This $5.30 level, the previous breakout point from this wedge right here, right there. I know it's getting cluttered with all my drawing, but it just goes to show you, don't chase after stocks and don't chase pattern breakouts. If the stock is strong and tradable, let the stock come to you and let it show strength. And that's what it did right here. Each one of these candlesticks are 1 minute. If I erase this right here in this area, every candle is 1 minute. You have 3 minutes of the candlesticks and the little wicks that it's got hitting at $5.30, showing you strength that this stock is holding as support. Stock moves up from 530 up to 545. This resistance all right here, because this was old support all right in here. And then gets a slight little pullback, and then boom, off it goes up to 550, and this grinds all the way up to 570. A nice 40-cent move to the upside, even right there. So in this little short video, I just showed you guys really 2 or 3 trading strategies that you can add into your playbook. All I ask is just hit that like button and that subscribe button for me. But there are so many different trading strategies out there. It's just all about getting out there and learning about the different types of strategies, how different traders like to trade, and that can do it consistently, and taking away from all types of different traders strategies that you like, making them your own to develop your own playbook, your own trading strategies, so you could be self-efficient in the stock market and be like those people on the advertisements that are traveling all around the world, get to trade wherever they want. You know, the true value in the big bag of money is knowledge. And it's up to you guys to learn all this stuff and pick through it and determine what you want to keep and what you want to toss out. So get out there, get to grinding, and get to work, because day trading is one of the most easiest, hardest jobs out there. It takes up a lot of your time, but I'll tell you, it's very, very rewarding once you learn this game. I wanted to share this little trading strategy and one of my personal playbook plays with you guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, join the Trading Learning 101 community, and as I always say, guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. All right, later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?